Hello everyone, today we'll be going over a mnemonic to help us remember the types of renal tubular acidosis. Now, remember that renal tubular acidosis is going to be a problem in the kidneys that is going to cause the body to acidify. In type 1, the problem is going to be with excreting out hydrogen. Because we're not able to excrete out hydrogen, the body is going to acidify. Now, a mnemonic that you can use to help you remember this is that the symbol for hydrogen is H, and so this is only one letter. So this is how you know that type 1 is going to be a problem with excreting out hydrogen. Now, because we're not able to excrete out hydrogen into the urine pH is going to be high. Now, in type 2, the problem is going to be with the reabsorption of bicarbonate. Because we're not able to reabsorb bicarbonate, the body is going to acidify. Now, a mnemonic that you can use to remember this is that bicarbonate is going to have bi. Bi means two. So if you're bilingual, for example, you can speak two languages. So this is how you know that type 2 is going to be a problem with the reabsorption of bicarbonate. Now, the urine pH at first is going to be high because we're not able to reabsorb bicarbonate. So there's going to be more bicarbonate in the urine, increasing the pH of the urine. But over time, as the body's bicarbonate stores are depleted, it is going to cause low urine pH. Now, the mnemonic for type 4 is going to be that you're going to have your hands out like this with a 4 and you're going to turn it sideways. Now you can make a K like this. All right. So K is going to help you remember that in this type, we're going to have high potassium levels. So this is going to be the only type of renal tubular acidosis in which we're going to have high potassium levels. Why do we have high potassium levels? Well, it is going to be due to a low aldosterone level or aldosterone resistance. Now remember that aldosterone is normally going to alkalize the body. So al for alkaline for in the aldosterone. So remember this mnemonic to quickly help you remember that aldosterone is going to normally alkalize the body. So if we have low aldosterone or aldosterone resistance, we're going to have acidity in the body. And so with aldosterone, we are also going to have high potassium levels, and this is going to be the only type in which we're going to see high potassium levels.